Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders, done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. We have a beautiful blue color pallu with zari lines, and we also have green base on it. The zari lines are given, vertical zari lines, and same copper sulphate blue blouse piece. To one side dark blue color borders. The saree have beautiful colors, yellow with border design printed in black. And we have the royal blue color borders, and we also have a light blue, that is the copper sulphate blue color border at the bottom along. Very beautiful one. You see the color combinations are very pretty with authentic silk. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders, done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. We have a beautiful rusty orange color pallu with zari lines. We also have mustard in one side, and we have a beautiful yellow. It is a very bright turmeric yellow color blouse piece with one side the rusty orange color borders. The complete saree have the rusty orange color border with zari border as well, and beautiful pot in the middle. We have a different design printed using blue, green and half white colors. The borders have the yellow as well as the orange. Elegant, very eye-catchy, attractive color with authentic silk. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders, done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a beautiful red pallu here with temple design and multiple block printed design vertically done along with zari lines. And we have same red blouse piece with one side yellow borders. The saree is in beautiful yellow color in the middle, and the half white portion in both sides of the borders vertically. You can see beautiful border designs as well as a temple border printed in red base on white color, base color, and we have very different prints as well, figure type printing, and we also have the zari borders on base red color. Very elegant one with authentic silk. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders, done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a beautiful bottle green color, rare color Tassa saree with zari lines in the pallu. Same color blouse piece, plain one. Complete saree is in running color, same bottle green color with a very different hexagon star design, elegantly printed all over, very closely printed too, with beautiful zari borders on both sides. Excellent saree with authentic silk. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed, zari borders, done on a premium acid wash boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a beautiful choco brown, dark shade color pallu with zari lines and zari border. The contrast one for the body, same way. The pallu color blouse piece is given, plain blouse piece with one side light pastel yellow color borders. The saree is in a pastel yellow with dark choco brown color prints all over. A very different leaf pattern, a beetle leaf design, excellently printed all over with the zari borders on the base yellow itself. Elegant color for contrast nature saree with authentic silk. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders, done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. We have a beautiful dark choco brown color saree with block prints in a very beautiful multiple colors, and also we have zari lines, and same color blouse piece, completely in single running color. No contrast, only the block prints are contrast here. Excellent design, floral, and it is done in the mango shape, big butta design, block printed, and we also have the border designs block printed using three colors, that is yellow, green and blue. On the brown base, that is very beautiful with authentic silk. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed, zari borders, done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa silk saree. A very beautiful dual color pallu, vertically green, bottle green and brick red. And we also have zari lines, and same brick red is given for the blouse piece with one side green borders. The saree is in very beautiful and traditional design, kalamkari face design, Amman face, very elegant, subtle, Shanta face design, beautifully done using green and red colors, and we also have the borders in the green base. The saree color is a light yellow and green mixed color, green with mild elegance, very beautiful one, pastel shade green with authentic silk. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed, zari borders, done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a very beautiful lavender color, rarely given in Tassa, beautiful shade with same color pallu and zari lines and block prints. We have a beautiful pink and lavender mixed color, completely in same color saree. The blouse piece as well as the pallu are also in the same color. You see a beautiful design, block printed using yellow horse pattern, doll horse. We also have the zigzag lines pattern borders in both sides. Very elegant one, different color, rare combo with authentic silk. Pure tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders, done on a premium acid washed boiled tussar fabric. Here we have a beautiful green pallu, a very elegant green color, regular green with jari lines, vertical jari lines, and same color blouse piece. Very elegant color, and the saree is in pastel, a fluorescent green color, light radiant green, but it's in pastel shade, so looking very subtle and very beautiful. Peach color block prints also add beauty to the saree with a dark green floral pattern mildly printed all over. We also have the same pallu color green borders in both sides. Very elegant combination saree with authentic silk marks. Pure tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders, done on a premium acid washed boiled tussar fabric. Here we have a beautiful royal blue color saree. Complete saree is in same color. Pallu also with vertical jari lines and zari border in the pallu. And we have same color blouse piece. Running concept, completely in single color saree. Very pretty color. The flowers here printed with the multiple colors. Very attractive colors here. Yellow and orange. And the leaves are done in green. Beautiful one. Very elegant with authentic silk. Pure tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed, zari borders, done on a premium acid washed boiled tussar fabric. Here we have a beautiful shades of brown, two shades you can see, choco brown as well as a light brown color with very elegant block printed design and jari lines, and the coffee brown, brick red we can call, the same color blouse piece. The saree is in white portion, middle. Top and bottom we have the two shade brown base with the fish type design, a fish motif printed. Very different printing design. You can see Ganga Jamuna pattern. Top is choco brown and the lower part is a brick red. Excellent one with authentic silk. Pure tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders, done on a premium acid white, acid washed boiled tussar fabric. Here we have a beautiful, completely in single color saree, dark rust color with jari lines and block prints in the pallu, and we have plain blouse piece in same color. Here we have a completely single color, running color concept, no contrast. Saree have beautiful printing, the Pochambali kind designs as well as a border design, completely done using half white color on the single color, that is almost a rust color saree. Beautiful one with authentic silk. Pure tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed, zari borders, done on a premium acid washed boiled tussar fabric. We have a beautiful copper sulphate blue color pallu with zari lines and block print design, same color blouse piece, light blue color, completely light blue and green concept saree. The colors goes really well, matches perfectly, and the green here is done in a very beautiful diagonal increasing pattern, and it goes to a half and half, almost to the down part itself. It increases and the blue decreases when it goes to the lower free portion. And we have a beautiful printing portion in the blue color, white used for the printing. Combination is very beautiful with authentic silk. Pure tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders, done on a premium acid washed boiled tussar fabric. Here we have a beautiful brown shade, very different brown shade, pallu with zari lines, same color blouse piece, fully plain blouse piece with zari borders alone. Here we have a very different saree for the unique lovers. Here we have a very beautiful, very colorful brush painted design saree on base white. We have multiple colors and we also have printing design on it done using black. Very, very closely printed, very different design, randomly done with authentic silk. Pure tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders, done on a premium acid washed boiled tussar fabric. Here we have a beautiful sea blue color, mild green and aqua blue mixed color with jari lines and jari border. and same color blouse piece with one side temple design border. Beautiful blouse piece here. Color is very interesting, beautiful color. And the saree color is a half white with mild creamy green tinge. Very elegant one with mango design, big block printed designs in the saree. Here and there it's been done. And we also have a temple type design, which is a Pochampalli design concept done on both sides of the saree. Very elegant one with authentic silk. Pure tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders, done on a premium acid washed boiled tussar fabric. So we have a very beautiful pallu, green in a very different shade, elegant pallu, mustard and green mixed color, and same color blouse piece, plain one. The pallu have beautiful jari lines as well vertically, and the saree is also in mustard yellow with mild green shade. Very elegant one top, and the bottom we have the yellow base with mudra design, the kalamkari mudra pattern, elegantly printed with half white and red color. Very beautiful one, simple and elegant one with authentic silk. Pure tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders, done on a premium acid washed boiled tussar fabric. Here we have a very different dark brown color pallu with zari lines. Same color blouse piece with the one side yellow borders. The color of the saree is a very contrast one, yellow base, bright turmeric yellow, and the printing on it is done using half white and green colors. Floral pattern, closely printed one with the borders in the pallu color. Beautiful contrast concept saree with authentic silk. Pure tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders, done on a premium acid washed boiled tussar fabric. Here we have a beautiful pink, white and black design pallu with zari lines, zari border, and a very contrast black and jet black color blouse piece with one side zari border and a pink border here. The saree is in dark magenta pink, almost a violetish pink it is. Body is completely plain. With the borders around we have the printing that is done using black on white base. The black zari border base is also very pretty with authentic silk. Pure tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders, done on a premium acid washed boiled tussar fabric. Here we have a beautiful dark choco brown, almost a burgundy color with jari lines. Same color blouse piece. Very beautiful tussar saree. Color combination is very pretty. A half and half pattern, fully with polka dots design. The polka dots is done using half white, burgundy in the top, and almost a peach in the top. Very beautiful one, excellent concept with zari borders. Very elegant one with authentic silk. Pure tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders, done on a premium acid washed boiled tussar fabric. Here we have a very different color, a blue and green mix, sea blue color saree, subtle color with block print design in the pallu, and zari lines also with same color blouse piece, one side border design printed. Complete saree is in single color, no contrast concept. Very beautiful printing design, floral as well as a temple border done in half white in both sides of the saree, and the zari border adds beauty to the saree. Simple, elegant as well as a pastel shade with authentic silk. Pure tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders, done on premium acid washed boiled tussar fabric. Here we have a beautiful dark magenta pink color pallu with zari lines and zari border, and same color blouse piece with one side dark red border. We also have block prints in the blouse piece, one side of the border. And the saree is a very beautiful combination here. Top is red with just the jari border and mild jari lines, the block printed lines. And the lower half is completely bright magenta with the block printed design. Very beautiful with authentic silk. Pure tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders, done on a premium acid washed boiled tussar fabric. Here we have a beautiful pastel shade saree with a grey, light ash grey color pallu with zari lines and zari border. Same color blouse piece, plain blouse piece with zari borders along on both sides. The saree is in beautiful creamy half white. Very different blocks here. A instrument playing man in a sitting position, very elegantly done using grey base color. That is only the only color in the saree. And you can also see a beautiful forest design pattern printed in the lower half of the saree colors. Very elegant, classy one with authentic silk. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed, zari borders, done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a beautiful, very dark grey, almost an elephant grey color saree with same color pallu. Beautiful pink block prints vertically as well as jari lines in the pallu. Same color blouse piece, dark grey, elephant grey. Complete sarees in the same color with the beautiful contrast printing used here. Dark pink color, both Ali blue design, very elegant water lily kind design, and we also have flowers in the butta portion. Very elegant one. Dark flowers will love this with authentic silk. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed, zari borders, done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a beautiful purple color saree with same color pallu for jari lines and block printed vertical design, and we have same color blouse piece, a plain one, mild pink shade, purple, very elegant color, completely in single color, and that is also very elegant one. We have beautiful border design on white base, on black printing. Same way, a bigger border design in the bottom, beautiful floral design again in purple color, the border design in black. Very elegant one, simple yet very trendy, authentic silk. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders, done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a beautiful pink saree here, a very different shade of pink, almost a beetroot or inside color, and we have the same color pallu with zari lines and zari block printed design. We have the same color blouse piece as well, plain blouse piece with zari borders. The saree is also on the same pink base with beautiful printing design, closely printed, very different, new block. You see the design, very elegant one, and it comes with authentic silk. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed, zari borders, done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a tri-color pallu, and we also have Amman face design printed in the pallu design very elegantly on black base, and we have a mustard yellow color blouse piece here. It's a very different saree, black and yellow concept. You can see very differently the black lines are coming in the saree on the yellow base saree. Printing is also done on black, almost a rangoli pattern, and we also have a red patterns in the saree in circular motion. Very elegant one with the borders in black. Excellent new collection with authentic silk. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders, done on a premium acid wash boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a very elegant green pallu with dark green color, block printed design. Beautiful pattern with zari lines, and we have same green blouse piece. It's a leaf green, beautiful color, and the saree is in black. The body of the saree, the borders are in green. The lower border also we have the block printed design, the same thing which we had in the pallu. And next to that we have a beautiful checkboard pattern, white and black checks design, very elegantly done. Beautiful, an excellent, exclusive collection with authentic silk.
Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, done on acid wash double boiled Tassa fabric material with jari borders on both sides, dual color pallu, blue and red with jari lines, blue color blouse material with borders on both sides, chessboard pattern on both sides. In the middle we have multicolor blue, green, half white and red with the block prints, and a red color jari borders. Excellent design with authentic silk mark. Thank you.
Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders, done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Dual color pallu, mild orange color and yellow color in the pallu, vertically with block prints and jari lines, and we have same rusty orange color blouse piece. The saree is completely in Tassa color, half white, and we have two different designs printed all over the body horizontally. Black and red is used for the printing, and we also have the border designs in black. The basic border, the jari border, is on yellow color base. Very different collection with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders, done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a grey pallu with block print designs in yellow, and we also have jari lines in same color, grey color blouse piece, contrast one for the body. The body is in dark magenta pink with a grey block prints, very different design. You can see the zigzag lines that is done in L and the 7 shape, and we also have very beautiful leaf pattern, and the lower half of the border is completely in grey and with the same pallu design block prints done in yellow. You can see the grey borders, very elegant concept saree, exclusive with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders, done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a beautiful grey pallu with block printed design in half white color with jari lines also. In same grey blouse piece, dark grey color. And the saree is in dull finish half white with vertically a rusty orange color printed design, a Pochampalli pattern, and we also have the border designs in the grey base. Very elegant one with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders, done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a beautiful maroon and blue color pallu vertically with jari lines, and we have maroon color blouse piece with one side blue borders. The complete saree is in maroon and blue base. And we have a very beautiful body design. First half we have the blue concept and the lower half is in maroon base. The prints are completely on white base here. Completely you can see the horizontal printing design, buttas as well as multiple designs printed very elegantly with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders, done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a beautiful pallu, red, black as well as white is given along with the elephant block prints, and we have a maroonish red color, red almost with a blouse piece with one side black borders. It's very different and contrast design saree. The body color, body is in a partly type half saree model. The top saree we have prints all over in black and white base. We have a portion which has black background and elephants in white, and the lower part is completely contrary. Top is completely half white and only the lower border design is given. Very different saree, elegant one. The borders are in red, which is very attractive with authentic silk. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders, done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a beautiful pink pallu with owl design introducing black color, and we also have jari lines, and we have a very different pastel light brown and grey mixed color blouse piece with one side printed design using black. Very different concept saree. The saree is in black base with owl printed, big owl design printed with the pink borders, and temple borders also given on both sides of the border. Very elegant saree, very different printing, trendy one with authentic silk. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed, zari borders, done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa. Here we have a beautiful red and black and white concept saree, elegant pallu, block printed version, and we also have a very elegant jari lines in the pallu, and a red blouse piece, deep red color, almost a maroon shade red, and we have an elegant Tassa color, Tassa hand sandal mix half white color saree fully with temple border in black. Both sides of the border is given temple border along with jari border, and we also have a printed border in the bottom. Very elegant horizontal printing as well as a floral pattern printed beautifully with black and red. An excellent and classy saree with authentic silk. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders, done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. We have a beautiful deep blue color, royal blue color pallu with jari lines as well as jari block printed design. Same blue, it's almost a Prussian blue here, darker than the royal blue color. Saree is in creamy half white, very elegant one, fully of fish concept saree. The small block prints are in small fishes design in black as well as in blue, and we have the lower part in a border design is also a fish pattern, very elegantly printed using black and contrastly in blue. Different one with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders, done on a premium acid wash boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a beautiful Ananda blue color pallu with dark blue color prints, zebras as well as the floral pattern is printed. The very contrast brownish green color blouse piece. The saree is in light green tinge, light pista green tinge, half white with printing completely done using very different green, that is an olive shade, and we have the borders in blue and the blue color. Differently, the zebras are dog design is printed in the lower half of the saree. It is done using dark blue, very elegant stuff with authentic silk. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders, done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a very beautiful black pallu with block printed design and zari lines. Same black blouse piece, contrast one for the body. The body is in very beautiful blue and white concept, the Pochambali type printing design, and we also have black diamond shaped designs as well. You can see beautiful one, patch kind printed using black. Very different concept saree, beautiful and trendy design with authentic silk. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders, done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have beautiful shades of brown pallu with jari lines and block printed design, zigzag pattern, and we have same brown color blouse piece. The saree is in two shades of brown or orange mixed brick brown color and light brown color, and the middle part is completely printed on grey base with half white color flowers. Very elegant one, and it is a kind of party saree, the half saree model. The lower part is completely grey in the top, otherwise it is same, which is looking really beautiful with authentic silk. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders, done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a beautiful Ananda blue color pallu with jari lines and jari border. Same blue blouse piece with one side green borders. Very different combination. The saree is in olive green, and the top part as well as the lower part we have white space, half white color on it. The blue is used for printing, block printed design, very elegant coding and floral pattern. The borders are again on the zari borders are on blue base. A different combination with authentic silk. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders, done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. A dark grey, blackish grey color, black and grey mixed color pallu with jari lines and same color blouse piece. Most in a different way, and we have a beautiful batik printed design on the body, half white base color and batik printing done using grey here, dark grey, and the printing is done vertically in both borders, one in a row in the top and two in a row in the bottom using red color. The flowers are very beautiful. The base of the borders are also on the pallu color shade. Excellent one with authentic silk. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders, done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. So we have a beautiful dark red color pallu with jari lines, beautiful gold jari lines, and same color blouse piece, plain one. The saree is in very beautiful half white base with mild pink tinge, and the saree completely having beautiful prints all over using the red. Multiple prints are used here. The grey prints are also greyish green color prints in the top, and completely border pattern design in the bottom. Excellent one with authentic silk. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders, done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a beautiful blue pallu, beautiful indigo blue with jari lines and same color blouse piece with one side black borders. The saree is completely in black, white and blue combination, almost a half and half pattern. The borders are in blue and the top part is completely plain black with the block prints in half white color in the lower half alone. Very beautifully the printing is done in a way that a triangle is formed at the lower border. Excellent one, beautiful designing with authentic silk. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders, done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have an orange and grey color pallu with jari lines and beautiful block prints in grey. Very different one with a rusty orange color blouse piece The saree is in beautiful and contrast color for the pallu and blouse. It is a half white, a creamy half white color with very different prints. Two designs are given here, both mango as well as peacock. Very different prints, and we also have border designs printed in both ends. The complete printing is done in grey and the borders are in orange. Very elegant one with authentic silk mark. Pure tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled tussar fabric. Here we have a beautiful, a very different color, blue with mild green shade, beautiful tinge with jari lines, and same color blouse piece, almost an aqua sea blue color pallu. And the saree is in half light, the tussar color, cream color, and on it the printing is completely done. The sea blue is used for the flowers and dark blue is used for the veins design. Very elegant one. The zari borders are on white base itself with thin border in the pallu color. A classy saree with authentic silk mark. Pure tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled tussar fabric. A very beautiful maroon pallu here with block prints in black and white. We also have orange block prints, floral pattern, along with the vertical jari lines, and we have same dark maroon color blouse piece. Saree have beautiful combination. Center part is completely black, in jet black color with the rose design here and there, printed very elegant block prints. And next to that we have the maroon base color. We also have the orange base with floral design in half white. The borders are also in the maroon base. Excellent combination with authentic silk mark. Pure tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled tussar fabric. Here we have a beautiful red saree with red pallu, and we have very elegant jari lines and jari border. Same color blouse piece, beautiful chilly hot red color. Very rare in tussar. The block prints are completely in white, half white color, very closely printed and beautifully done one with the border designs as well, horizontally done. Elegant one with authentic silk mark. Pure tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled tussar fabric. Here we have a beautiful dark navy blue color pallu with beautiful block printed design, white used for it, and we also have red borders. And the dark navy blue is the blouse piece also, with one side red border. The saree is in beautiful combination, red in the middle with block printed design in the lower part. The borders are again in the navy blue base. Excellent combo, very different combo with authentic silk. Pure tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled tussar fabric. Here we have a beautiful maroon and orange color pallu with jari lines vertically, thus alternatively given. And we have a line, a brown color, almost a brownish pastel color pallu with one side maroon borders. Very different combination. The pallu, blouse piece, everything is in contrast nature. And the saree is in orange color base, and the printing is done in the lower half. Beautiful floral, kalamkari kind printing design. And next to that we have the horizontal orange and red, as well as the borders are in the brown base. Very different concept saree, colorful one with authentic silk mark. Pure tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled tussar fabric. Here we have a beautiful violet color saree, magenta pink mixed with black to get a beautiful violet shade, completely in same color pallu with block prints and jari lines, and we have same color blouse piece. The complete saree is in single color concept here. Only the block prints are in contrast, half white color. The border design is completely done in the block printing, multiple floral design pattern, and it's a simple and very elegant saree with authentic silk mark. Pure tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid wash boiled tussar fabric. Here we have a beautiful multi-color pallu, very colorful, and one side full black pallu with same black blouse piece, and one side we have orange color borders. The saree is in base, half white color, and very beautiful concept. The small triangles that is done in a checkered pattern. Both orange and pink is alternatively used the whole saree printing. Very elegant one. The borders are in black base. Excellent and very trendy with authentic silk. Pure tussar silk saree, premium quality hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid wash boiled tassa fabric. So we have a beautiful red pallu with block prints in on half white base, red and black used for the block printing, and jari lines, and same red blouse piece. Sari have multiple block print design used. You can see the borders on the red base, and again we have a border design that is done using black. Next to that we have a block printed design on white base. The complete saree is on half white base, and two designs are printed in red and as well as black. Very differently it's being done. It's excellent and exclusive design with authentic silk. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a beautiful pallu, temple type design block printed in the pallu, grey base and white base with jari lines, and dark grey color, almost a blackish grey it is, with the body color in completely half white color, mild green color, and the bird pattern is printed all over in the grey. And we also have big temple design borders in both sides of the saree. Very elegant stuff, completely in grey and half white with authentic silk. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a beautiful green, pastel green and red color pallu with red blouse piece. Block prints are also present in the pallu as well as the jari lines, and the saree is in a very beautiful light half white color with mild cream tinge, and on it the printing is done using olive green pastel shade with different printing design, and we also have a border designs in the both side borders that is done using black and red color. The borders are also in red base. Excellent combination. Beautiful saree with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a beautiful bottle green color, very different color Tassa silk saree, very rare in Tassa, and you can see the jari lines and block printed design and leaf design beautifully done with same color blouse piece, completely in single color saree concept, no contrast. Only the block prints are in contrast color here, completely in plain version, but the border designs are done in half white color. Excellent block printed design, multiple designs used with authentic silk. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a beautiful pallu, white base with black block prints, and we also have blue design, dark blue color, teal blue with black mix pallu. The saree is in half white color, mild yellow tinge half white, creamy yellow color, with both sides the borders are done in a block printed design. That is a very different one, multiple colors used for it. Alternatively, all different colors used, and the borders are on the pallu base color. Very elegant, classy looking one with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. So we have a very light, mild peachy pink color pallu with zari lines vertically. And we also have same color plain blouse piece, beautiful pastel shade blouse piece and pallu. The saree also in a pastel cream color, half white with grey prints, village, ancient village design is depicted in block printed design itself. And we also have a floral pattern printed in grey. The borders are in the pallu color, pastel pink. Very elegant, shattu, pastel saree with authentic silk. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a beautiful half white, black and red color pallu. Very beautifully the block prints are done along with the jari lines in the pallu, and same red color blouse piece, contrast one for the body. The saree have beautiful design, yellow body, light yellow color, goldish yellow, with lower part completely in half white with the black and red printings, flower pattern. We also have a beautiful border design, and the base borders of the saree, the zari border is on red base. Very elegant one with authentic silk. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders. Then on a premium acid washed boiled tassa fabric, here we have a beautiful dark indigo blue pallu with block prints in peach color and same color blouse piece with one side light blue color borders. The saree have a beautiful design vertically. Light blue as well as green is given. Whole saree have vertical coloring, and we also have a beautiful printing design that is done using almost a brick red color. Very beautiful one. The borders are in dark blue color, pallu color. Excellent combination, very different saree, exclusive design with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders. Done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a beautiful pink pallu with owl design introducing black color, and we also have jari lines. And we have a very different pastel, light brown and grey mixed color blouse piece with one side printed design using black. Very different concept saree. The saree is in black base with owl printed, big owl design printed. With the pink borders and temple borders also given on both sides of the border. Very elegant saree, very different printing. Trendy one with authentic silk.